This is my typical Jamaican Saturday morning breakfast. There's no standard way of preparing Jamaican breakfast. Anything goes, anything you want to eat, you eat. I mean, whatever we eat for breakfast, it can be eaten for lunch and dinner as well, although there are some dishes that deem as breakfast dishes in Jamaica, such as porridge and callaloo and cabbage, but hey, people eat them morning, noon, and night just the same. So I would say that anything goes, anything, and you can even re-eat your dinner in the morning and have it for breakfast as well. So here, anything goes. However, for me personally, in my home on Saturday morning, I like to cook. I go to the market early, like really early, 5:30. Market open like 6 a.m. I'm there and I like to get the fresh things, and then I come home and then I cook. That's how I like to do it in my home. Speaking for myself only. I like to cook on Saturdays in the morning, like to cook breakfast. So this Saturday I'm preparing saltfish and okra. I remove the saltfish skin, then I'm gonna boil it for 5 minutes to remove the excess salt, and then I'm gonna wash it again with tap water, allow it to cool to the touch, and then I'm gonna shred it as finely as possible, and I'm gonna remove most of the bones as well. So I flake the saltfish as finely as possible, and I removed most of the bones. So I'm gonna set it aside until I am ready to use it. For the okras, I wash them using my fingers, to kind of rub them. Yes, and then I wash them again in salted water. And then I remove the head and the tips, and then I cook them in a little bit of salted water until they are fork tender. The okra is cooked, and I already uploaded okra and saltfish video with an in-depth tutorial. I will put the link in this video. These are the fresh herbs that I will be using: 1 clove garlic, 2 tomatoes, piece of hot pepper, and I'm using 2 onions. I'm using about 4 teaspoons of vegetable oil. You can use the oil of your choice and the amount that you want to use. So now I'm going to saute the fresh herbs until they are translucent. Now I'm adding the saltfish. I am sauteing the saltfish as well for about 2 minutes. I am sprinkling on some black pepper and ketchup. Now I am adding the okras, and I'm gonna saute everything for about 2 minutes. So this is it, my typical Saturday morning Jamaican breakfast. Thanks for watching.